Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset a Samsung TV without remote. Let's go. Use USB keyboard, wireless or wired. If you are using a wireless keyboard, use an adapter. Connect keyboard to TV with USB. Press Win. Use the arrows. General. Reset. Use numbers and a pin. That's it. Now you know how to reset Samsung TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.